A good number of voters are disappointed in the efforts to reform health care, and that bitterness is expected to show up in the polls this November.
Oh, which could mean a difficult run for Democrats looking for votes. Lisa Benson has the story.
That's right. Right now, 46% of voters still believe the president's health care reform is a bad idea, which means the midterm elections could be a challenge for those who supported it. Healthcare reform. It spawned many debates and is entrusted to save even more lives.
My doctor's free, and basically anything that happens to me, I get for free.
It will also affect votes in the midterm elections.
I won't be voting for people who would be trying to get rid of it.
And Randy Childers is not alone. The country's plan for healthcare reform, coupled with record deficit spending, has put a lot of voters in a defiant mode, including 46% of voters who, according to an NBC Wall Street Journal news poll, think the healthcare overhaul was a bad idea.
Well, at this point, all we're really seeing with the healthcare reform bill so far is the cost. We've heard a lot about the cost, and we haven't seen any of the positive effects, and that certainly is having an effect on the Democrats.
According to that same poll, 48% of voters would prefer to have someone without experience versus an incumbent, numbers that don't surprise Miller or Childers.
The incumbents have kind of warned me out a little bit because I was very hopeful a couple years ago.
The 48% that would prefer to have someone who's inexperienced, I think, are reacting to what they see as bad government policy. And so what they want is somebody different.
Whether or not they get that something different will be up to voters on November 2nd. Now, Miller says voters want to see the benefits of the health care reform. Until then, Democrats will have a difficult time at the polls. In the newsroom, Lisa Benson, NBC Action News.